Okay, brewers, how you going? It's Pierre, Simple Home Brew, out and about in Ballara at the moment. I'm actually working on a video for the other channel, and I thought I want to get into a little bit of a request if I can. I have a second channel called Pierre's Adventures, and Google is making a lot of money out of my videos at the moment because I'm not monetized on that channel. But the channel is creating a lot of stir and getting a lot of views on my videos, but not making a single cent out of it because I haven't got enough subscribers yet. I've got 459 subscribers at the moment, and I really want to get to 1,000 so I can actually make money off it, mainly for this channel. So if you guys can, and I know some of you will, some of you won't, but a lot of you will, jump on that account. I'll leave a link down below. Just subscribe. You don't have to be, you don't have to watch the videos, just subscribe and give me a boost so I can actually get that monetized, so I can make more money and I can actually do more brewing videos to make that money go a long way, hopefully. Now, it is a traveling channel, and it is at the moment I'm going from town to town and just walking around and showcasing the beauty of each town in my region of the world. And I will be going overseas soon to New Zealand, and hopefully seeing some things there too that you might be able to watch. But if you really want to support me, guys, please do. Please jump on there. It is a favor from me for you to jump on there and give me a subscription just to get me to 1,000. After 1,000, I don't care, as long as I get to 1,000 and these videos that I'm making. Like, oh, look, I've just did a video that's got 17,000 views on it. I make nothing from it, and it's a lot of work. So we really would love to get something out of it, a bit of revenue out of it. You know, it is growing quickly, and it's a pretty fun channel to be on. So if you're interested, check it out. All right, now today, excuse me, I am trying a beer. Back on. It's a Breheny Brothers Brewery Super Stout, Pure Stout. Now I've been holding off on this. I actually went to a pub in, where was it? In Sale, actually. It was a Gippy Hotel in Sale, and they had a promotion for their brand. Now this company, Breheny Brothers Brewery, have been around for over 100 years. But they sold off in the 30s and the 20s to Carlton United Breweries. And just recently, they found all the recipes. Well, not recently, but they found all the recipes after their father and grandfather passed away. And these recipes have been revived and brought back. And these are recipes from the 1870s, 1880s, and they're being brought into now. And my God, the beer is good. I will pour one. As you can see, it's a stout with my Simple Homebrew tag on there. Now, if you want a sticker, let me know. I might be able to send you some. Based on the original Breheny Brothers Brewery's recipe book from 1920 and created with the brewing expertise of Burnley Brewing, Superior Pure Stout is a celebration of family brewing dynasty that made beer in Australia for over 100 years. This is 6.2%. So I shall sip it. Look at the head on it, a nice little head retention there. Nice, look at that, it's really clear. The smell is quite good, very clean. I don't know if they adapted the recipe to modern standards. I guess they would have had to remove some ingredients that they wouldn't have had in the 20s, I would say. But nonetheless, they've used quality ingredients and it smells exceptional. I'm getting no toffee smell. I am getting a rustic malty. Look at the head retention, it's staying there, it's beautiful. I'm going to taste it. Actually, I've made beers that taste just like this, and I think they're pretty dang good. This is very nice. It's not awesome. It's not sweet in any way. It's definitely got a burnt flavour to it. There's a flavour in there. It's a wheat flavour I'm getting out of this. There must be a bit of a wheat. That's probably that is what I'm smelling, a bit of wheat as well. So it's not a bad beer, very tasty. Guys, if you're interested, here's a little bit of a clip of me talking to one of the brothers, and check it out. Old rustic beer, Breheny Brothers Brewing, and there's a little picture of the guys there. So you're just travelling around promoting beer?
Well, I guess the family had 4 breweries that were Breheny Brothers breweries, and this was the main one. So we had one in Bendigo, one in Ballarat, and one in Toowoomba in Queensland. So we've really kind of focused on.
Was there one in Geelong? Or was it
And there was a Vollum brewery in Geelong.
Yeah.
So they all, but then they worked at other breweries as well. But they were the 4 that were named after our family. But yeah, they all worked at Vollum brewery in Geelong. Actually, before coming here. It's the first time our beer has been on tap in sale in 100 years.
Wow.
And,
First beer.
first beer.
Making that.
That's it.
That's really good.
It's very nice. Yeah.
Not bad for 200 years. And the turn the cup around. Exactly, boy. Not bad for 200 years.
So see, these are again 5 of the 6 brothers. So they go around that horse. So Michael was the one that stayed here the longest in sales. So he ran the brewery here for over 20 years, and his descendants are still in the area.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And then James Patrick we've spoken about. Melbourne Co-op. John James was at Vollum that we spoke about in Geelong, and then he went to Walkable Co-op.
Oh yeah.
Which then was taken over by West End and became the West End Brewery in Adelaide, which is another big iconic brewery.
I've seen it. Been there.
Thomas, again, worked at Vollum, worked here, and worked at Tooth & Co in Sydney, the Kent Brewery, which again another iconic brewery. So, and then lastly, Peter worked in Victorian breweries. So he works here at our Warren Heath Brewery in Ballarat, Barley Sheep in Ballarat. But you can see they all moved around.
Yeah.
And then these are basically the cousins that started in Queensland. And this is the next generation. So these are their sons that also worked in breweries on the school land behind you as well.
So how old are these? How old are these photos? What's the oldest one? That'll be the newest one, no doubt.
Yeah, well, that was my uncle that ran CB.
Yep.
So that would be 70s. These are really going back. The big grainy ones are really going back to this era, the early 1900s, late 1800s.
So you guys get to do a group photo like this?
Well, to be honest, we when we had the launch event in Richmond, descendants all dressed up like.
Oh yeah.
They're like the great uncles or grandparents.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah.
So yeah, we did it 2 years ago.
Yeah.
But we haven't done it again.
Oh, it's different. We used to back our trailer up here and get the band gear out and start playing over here. So it's a funny, weird thing.
So we've taken on the back of this is a digital billboard.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Space on that. So which way are you going out?
That way. But I'll go.
Do it.
Yeah, I will.
Because we've got it to pack the beers on tap here.
Oh, yeah.
Like we went up about 3 hours ago.
Oh, geez. Well, great meeting you.
Yeah, make sure you contact me.
Will do.
Yeah,
No problem. Cheers. Okay, so guys, remember, I have a channel other than this one that is going quite well at the moment, but I'm not getting the subscriber count that I need. I want to monetize this channel and I need your help. Please click the link below and do a bloke a favour. Cheers and see you in the next brew.